Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here, and in this video I've got a very exciting Clickbank tutorial for you. For beginners, for advanced marketers, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing 3.0 here, and this is something that most people aren't doing. So if you're really excited for this video, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. And here's a reason why you're going to want to complete all these steps. Reason number one is because I'm doing a giveaway. Every month, at the end of the month, I'm giving away $1,000 to a lucky subscriber that completes the following. You like this video, you subscribe to the channel, and you tick the bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them, and you make a unique comment, a thought-provoking comment in the comments below. And if you complete all of those steps, and by the way, this is going to be happening in the next 6 days, I'm going to announce my first winner that's going to win this $1,000 giveaway. That can still be you. If you engage with all my videos in the past month that I've uploaded and follow those steps I just explained, you're going to be qualified to actually win that $1,000 you can use in your marketing or really use in anything that you want in life. So go ahead, like this video, subscribe, tick the bell icon, make a unique comment below based off of a question I'm going to ask you during this video. And if you want a bonus, go ahead and share this video because I know there's some people out there that can get some value from it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the computer screen where you can see my Clickbank account. And we're going to show you that there's no shenanigans here. There's a lot of new people here. They're like, is this guy a scammer? Is he a schemer? Is this real? Is this legitimate? You can see I just refreshed and it already logged me out. So we're going to show you this is live and uncut and real. So I'm going to go ahead and log back in. And you can see right here, over the course of the past 10 days or so, we've been averaging over $100 a day with Clickbank with a very easy, incredibly easy to implement method that literally no one is doing out there. No one that I know of, at least. So let's go ahead and let's get into this method. But before I show you the exact method, we got to kind of build up to it, right? So number one is affiliate marketing 1.0. This is what most people do online when they get started. This is when people are noobs, unfortunately. They just go out on the internet and they go to, number one, they go to Clickbank, right? They go to the Clickbank marketplace up here once they create an account. Then they go to like health and fitness. Let's say they promote this product, they generate their hop link, and then what do? They start going, like people in the YouTube comments, they start just spamming their affiliate link everywhere on social media, in forums, and blog comments, all over YouTube comments, and then they get no results. And that's because they're doing affiliate marketing 1.0. The only exception to this is providing a lot of good value, like in the form of a YouTube video like this, or a Facebook post, or on a blog, and then you can link directly to the affiliate sales page, right? Just like I showed you. But for the most part, that doesn't work. That's affiliate marketing 1.0. Too many noobs are doing that. Affiliate marketing 2.0 is when you actually start generating not only traffic from legitimate places and giving value first, through like Reddit or YouTube or even solo ads, to then taking people to a capture page where you capture a name and an email address. That's the purpose of a capture page. You guys have probably seen it online. You've probably been through one of my capture pages. Just a little page that has a headline and then a place where you enter a name and email address and then a button. And when they press that button, they'll go straight to the affiliate product sales page, just like we illustrated in this example here, right? So in this example, this is the affiliate product sales page right here. Okay, it's kind of zoomed in. Let me see if I can zoom out. It looks like it just goes to full screen, but you kind of get the idea. This is a VSL, a virtual sales letter, aka a sales page. And that's typically the process. So you lead people from a capture page, and then from the capture page using a software, you're able to link from that capture page to your affiliate link, which is a sales page, and then to the order form. When somebody buys, you get a commission. In the interim, in the meantime, because people, filled out their name and email address, you're now able to follow up with them through email because most people just won't buy the first time. You need to indoctrinate them. You need to get them to know, like, and trust you. And that is most people. Most of your sales will be made in the email follow-up series. So unfortunately, in Affiliate Marketing 1.0, you're spamming. You're not even capturing the name or the email address. You're sending people straight to the sales page, and you're just setting up a broken business model where here you're starting to have some success. But still, you're having to trade a lot of time for money because you can only do, for the most part, free traffic strategies. Because when you do paid traffic, a lot of the offers on Clickbank aren't compliant with paid traffic strategies, and you're also only keeping 50% of the commission. Only 50%. So if you're only keeping 50%, you got to be really good at ads. And if you're copying somebody else's ads, for example, I hate to plug this, but Robbie Blanchard's Commission Hero, nothing against it. A lot of people have success with it. But when you're allowing thousands and thousands of people to get access to the same Facebook ads, YouTube ads, online ads, whatever ads they are, when you're allowing people to get access to the same ads, there's a point where it stops working and it gets saturated for the later people that buy your course. You see? So if Robbie Blanchard, charged maybe only so much for his course and then capped it at like maybe 10 people, 20 people, then he can take those 20 people and create massive success with those 20 people. But the fact that, Commission Hero has been around for a little while now and everybody can promote it on Clickbank, it creates saturation for the product, and it's also creating saturation and competition for the customers within that product. You see where I'm going here now? So a lot of problems with Affiliate Marketing 2.0 if you're trying to do paid traffic and the time that it takes to even do free traffic, to make this work. It's a lot of uploading of videos. It's a lot of continuity, a lot of consistent work, which in the long run works really, really well. It's worked really, really well for me. But do you want to spend, the next few years working before you start making money? That's completely up to you. If you like that, you can do Affiliate Marketing 2.0. Now, I wanted to solve all these problems that I just explained to you, and so that's why I came out with this idea of Affiliate Marketing 3.0. And it's sending people from paid traffic strategies like Google, YouTube, and Facebook to kind of the same process, just on the front end. You're going to capture that email address with the opt-in page so you can follow up with people. But instead of sending people to somebody else's Clickbank product, you first send people to your own product. You might be wondering, Josh, well, I don't know how to create my own product. I don't know how to set it up. I don't know how to sell. Don't worry. You're actually going to be able to copy this whole entire process. You're going to have the opportunity to copy this whole entire process at the end of this video. So what I do is I send people to my front end product that also includes upsells. When people go through the front end product, they buy it, they may or may not buy the upsells. That's okay because I have a thank you page. And on that thank you page, I have a Clickbank affiliate link. When they click that Clickbank affiliate link and they buy, boom, this is where I'm making this money. It's not on the front end of my marketing, guys. It's on the back end of my marketing, okay? This allows me to keep all of the money on the front end. So if I pay $100 to get a customer right here, but with the other products and the upsells that I have, I'm making $100, I'm getting leads for free, which makes all of my Clickbank income right here 100% profit. So not only do I include my Clickbank affiliate link on the thank you page, but I also include it in the members area of my front end product. So my front end product is a digital product. When they go to the members area, there's a welcome video. Under that welcome video, they have the opportunity to purchase this affiliate product that's through Clickbank. And so you guys need to realize that your business is not one product. Your business is a culmination of products that work in synchronicity together to help you make profit. So because most people don't have their own front-end products, they're trying to run paid traffic to like Clickbank products. They either get shut down by Facebook. If they don't get shut down, they're still losing money because they're not making enough commissions, high enough percentage of commissions on the products. So Clickbank will sometimes pay you 50%, 60%, even 90%. But still, when a Clickbank product gets saturated with so many people promoting the same product, it makes your conversions go down and your whole campaign crashes. So that's why I came up with Affiliate Marketing 3.0, And I also wanted to implement it for myself, and here's the results that I got. So, front-end product sales. What did I make on front end? Now, this is since August 1st of 2020 to today, 9/24/2020. So if I select go and I scroll down, once again, no shenanigans, you guys can see, let me go to the right campaign. You guys can see net profit, $21,233. How much, Josh, did you spend in ads to make that? Let's go to my performance. I spent $20,042 to make $21,233. So I've made over $1,000 just on the front end. Let me just refresh this right here so you can see no shenanigans. See the amount here, that changes a little bit because I'm running traffic. But you can see that that amount, I made over $1,000 just right here on step one from front-end product sales. Not to mention, I've got all these emails going out that are also going to get other people to buy. So on this front-end process, guys, I'm breaking even. I'm making a little bit of profit, right? I spent $20,000. I made right around just over $21,000. So $1,000 in profit on the front end, and then everything in Clickbank on the back end right here, when people go to the thank you page, the members area, this is all 100% profit, you guys. Now this right here, this is how you build a highly profitable business. So my question to you is, do you want to implement Affiliate Marketing 3.0? Here's your question. That's your question. I know I said a unique comment, but in this video, you don't need a unique comment. I just want to see a yes in the comments below. Do you want to implement Affiliate Marketing 3.0? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments. Do you like what I'm putting down here? I hope you guys are getting value. So if you guys want to copy this whole entire business right here that I've got for you, I'm going to set up all this stuff for you. Set this up for you. My team and I will set up this pages right here. We'll set up the YouTube ads. We'll link to your affiliate products, your Clickbank products. We'll set up all the email autoresponder series. We'll do this for you, but I'm only limiting this to 10 people, okay? We don't want to avoid saturation. We don't want everybody getting access to this. So this is going to be a price point. This is not going to be free or cheap, but it's going to be affordable enough for people to get in and start generating results. Is that you? Okay. If you've got at least between $1,000 to $5,000 to get started in your business, plus this is for you. This offer is for you. So this is a 4-day quick start to success when implementing this system right here. This is all about helping you copy what I showed you in this video. So day one, you're going to set up your affiliate accounts. You're going to set up your Clickbank account. You're also going to set up your account for my front-end product. What you're going to be able to do once you get these set up is you're going to have the ability to earn 100% commissions on all front-end system product sales, and then 50% on the back-end upsells that I have within this step right here. So in other words, let me show you. This is the first product. There's 3 products that we have. We have the front end right here, and we've got the 2 back end products right here. You're going to earn 100% commissions off of this. This is $60 right now. You're going to earn $60 commissions. Again, we want to help you make money or even break even on your advertising like I've been able to do. This is a done-for-you product, research product. It's $49.99 a month. You're going to earn 50% commissions off of that, okay, per month. So right around $24 to $25 per month. You're going to earn one-time commissions off of this product. It runs about $30, subject to change based off of testing right now. And you're going to earn 50% commissions off of that. So almost $100 in commissions just on this step alone to help you get to where I've gotten right here. Okay, again, limit to 10 people. After that, you're going to set up your Clickbank affiliate account as well, right? Remember we talked about embedding your links on my thank you pages and within my members area. We're going to embed your links in there so you can start earning commissions in Clickbank here as well. I mean, how cool is that? So after step 1, step 2, you're going to submit your affiliate links to my free traffic rotator. This is going to help you get jump started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send one mass email out to my list of 40,000 active subscribers coded with your affiliate link. And you'll have the chance to earn commissions off of all of my efforts. Okay, so I'm going to send out an email along with the other 9 people in the program, right? They're going to have their affiliate link. They're going to send it to me along with you. And we're going to send out a mass email. And whoever clicks that email that's on the list, on my list, I've done all the work for you. Whoever clicks on that email and that affiliate link's coded to you, you're going to earn a commission. Okay, so that's going to really help you get jump started in your business. Day 3, we're going to teach you done for you YouTube ads. So not exactly teach you, we're just going to run your ads for you. You're going to decide how much money you want to spend on traffic, and you are going to be offered different packages, anywhere between 2,000 or 200 all the way up to 2,000. You decide how much traffic you want to purchase, and then what we're going to do is we're going to set up all the ads for you, all of my YouTube ads, all my YouTube assets, and we're going to send people straight to those YouTube ads with your affiliate link coded. So we send people through this entire process so you earn commissions off of the whole system here. This is the most important step. This is what makes everything work here. There's 2 ways to generate traffic. There's trading time for money, which is the free way to generate traffic, and that can work over a long period of time, but it's slow and steady, like a snowball effect. Then you have paid traffic, which is like YouTube ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, where you pay for traffic and instantly you get leads. And potentially instantly you can get sales. That's why I love paid traffic, is because I'm able to just feed the beast, feed the system, and watch sales pop out on the back end. Okay, so we're going to offer a package for those of you guys that want to pay for traffic. You want to pay with your money versus your time. If you don't have a lot of money for traffic and you've already invested into the course, into the program, then we're going to give you free traffic strategies. Okay, so you've heard the saying, give a man a fish and he can eat for a day, teach a man to fish and he can eat for a lifetime. Here I'm going to show you the same free organic strategies I used over the course of the past 6 years to generate a multiple 7-figure business online. So you don't just need to do, paid traffic. That's not the only way to success. Free traffic, again, it's steady, but there's a snowball effect that takes place over time, and eventually you build a big audience and you can make 7 figures a year potentially. That can happen for anybody. Again, this is no guarantee of income. I'm just showing you guys exactly what I've done, and I'm allowing a select few people to copy this. Last but not least, you're going to get Facebook group support. So here you'll be able to connect and mastermind with other members, as well as get any questions that you have answered by myself and my team. I'm going to go live from time to time to announce any potential updates, as well as give you value and insight to take your ClickBank business to the next level. If you like the sound of this offer, this is only for 10 people, and I'm only doing this for the month of September for this specific case study. If you want access to this, you feel like this is for you, click the link below. It's going to take you to Facebook Messenger. If you don't have a Facebook account, you're going to need one, because we're going to have a conversation and we're genuinely going to see if you're a good fit for this. This is not for freebie seekers. Unfortunately, you will be ignored. We have a lot of people that inquire about our products or services and want help every single day. This is for serious people that have money to invest, that really want to shortcut their success with affiliate marketing. And they want to copy a proven business so you could potentially earn all profit within ClickBank on the back end, and hopefully even earn some profit on the front end system that I'm giving you, not 2.0, but 3.0 right here. If you like the sound of this, go ahead, click the link below. Look forward to seeing you and speaking to you, either myself or one of my team members. If you got value from this video, go ahead, like, subscribe, go ahead and comment. And I look forward to talking to you very, very soon. See you in the next video. Take care.